Tanya from Perkins, Louisiana, has a question about a sinking space.
It's in her mom's house.
Oh.
Tanya, there's all kinds of things I could set up there. I'm letting it go. Tanya writes, it was built in the 1980s with a sunken living room, and when there's a constant rain, heavy rain, water comes in through the walls and spreads in the den area. She says, I've been trying to use a sump pump to try to fight the water and keep it away from the house, but it just isn't working. So Tanya wants to know, how would you correct this, Tom?
You got a drainage issue on the outside.
You think?
That's it. I mean, but also you say it comes...
Wait a minute. A drainage problem in Louisiana? Shut up.
Well... Shut up.
I'm just saying.
Anyway, it's coming through the walls, too, so it could be more than just a yard drainage system.
It could be
leaks of kind.
A couple problems at work here, yeah.
But waiting for it to build up in a hole and then sump pumping it out, I don't think is the best way to do it. You really need to attack the problem so it doesn't build up at all. And if it is leaking through the walls, we got to find out why. I don't know. I don't have enough information to go by, and I certainly can't see what you're dealing with. But it's going to have to be handled from the outside. You can't wait for it to build up and then get rid of it. And so someone who's in the irrigation system and can put drainage systems in and find out why that's happening, and maybe even a waterproofing company if you have a wall issue. I know here in Houston we'd say get Ideal out to take a look at it, Ideal Roofing. But you're going to have to attack it from the outside and fix the problems. Don't wait for it to build up and then try to pump it away.
Well, she says it happens during heavy rains. I wonder, Tom, is it a falling rain issue? Is it a rising water issue? I mean, I don't know. There's some information missing here is what we're trying to say.
Right, and if it's coming through the walls, I mean, it sounds to me like it's have
a rising
some
water issue, yeah.
Something. So,
all right.
Anyway.
Well, I hope that helped her somewhat.
Well, always what you have to do is find the problem and handle it from the outside to eliminate the problem. Don't wait for it to build up somewhere and then just try to get rid of the water.
Right, and keep a life preserver handy.
Okay, that's fine.
Okay.
Flippers.
Got a question? Send it our way, would you please, at HomeShowRadio.com. Check our videos over here, and of course, you can subscribe to our channel.